Imagine you are in a park, laying on the grass, enjoying a nice sunny day. You can feel the grass below you, supporting your weight in a soft, springy way. You can look above at the clearest blue skies you've ever seen, with little white wisps of clouds, and the sun gently shining down on you and warming you throughout your body. Is this a dream? Why is it that in today's culture, experiencing and enjoying nature is only reserved for children and dreams? Why is it that it is not common for everyone to experience the benefits of nature? Some of these benefits are the fact that when you are out in nature, as per Reynolds has said, you have less anxiety and you brood far less than what you do when you're surrounded by buildings in urban life. Also, another benefit of nature is what Picard says, that you have more access to sunlight, which will lower your blood pressure, improve muscle function, which all of us could benefit from. So, how do we find the time to enjoy nature? Well, it is simple. And Ray preaches that 3 simple things will help you find time. The first is schedule things and keep that schedule. The second is find ways to combine stuff like reading or doing homework while being outside. The third would be to start something at night and finish it in the morning. Like if you start a little cactus garden in your house and you add to it little by little. You don't have to do it all immediately. So how can we all incorporate this into our lives? Well, it is easy. And an article from Better Homes and Garden has said that the easiest way for us to do that is to use hanging gardens and wall gardens, which fits everyone's household. And we can all do. They're very inexpensive. So with having access to the outside free and available for everyone, with a little bit of planning and understanding of our own schedule and needs, we can find ways to incorporate and reap the benefits of something so simple and necessary. Thank you.